Want to learn how to add logic branching to your Outgrow quizzes and create a personalized experience for your audience? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to leverage this powerful feature in Outgrow and get the most out of it for your quizzes. Stick around until the end because I'll also tell you how you can get an exclusive extended free trial for Outgrow, which you don't want to miss. Now, let's dive right into it. If you're unfamiliar with Outgrow, it's a platform that helps you create interactive content like quizzes, surveys, and calculators to engage your audience and generate leads. The logic branching feature in Outgrow is a game changer for customizing your quizzes. It allows you to design quizzes that adapt based on how your users answer specific questions. So, how does logic branching work in Outgrow? First, when you're building your quiz, you'll be adding multiple choice questions or input fields. The beauty of logic branching comes in when you set up the logic behind the scenes. You can determine that if a user selects one answer, they'll be sent down a different path compared to if they select another answer. This is especially useful if you're aiming to create a tailored experience for each quiz taker. To set up logic branching, you'll first need to navigate to the logic section in your quiz builder. From here, you can add different paths or outcomes based on users' responses. For instance, if you're running a quiz to help people find the best financial advice based on their retirement savings, you can set up different follow-up questions or results depending on whether they have over 100K in savings or less. Next, you can add conditions or if-then rules to each path. This means you can say something like, if the answer to question 3 is yes, show question 4. If no, skip to question 5. You'll see a simple flowchart style interface where you can connect different questions or results to ensure your quiz stays dynamic and personalized. The key to maximizing logic branching is making sure your paths are relevant and smooth. The experience should feel natural, like a conversation with the user. The goal is to gather the right data without overwhelming the quiz taker, so be sure to plan your logic paths thoughtfully. Another helpful feature in Outgrow's logic branching is the ability to send different results based on answers. After the quiz, based on the answers a user has given, you can direct them to a personalized recommendation or result page. This makes it feel like the quiz is speaking directly to their situation, which increases engagement and conversions. You can also use logic branching to segment your audience and personalize your follow-up marketing. Once users complete the quiz, you can automatically send them tailored content, offers, or resources depending on their answers. This can dramatically improve your lead nurturing efforts and even boost your sales. If you're new to Outgrow, don't worry. Setting up logic branching is pretty simple. The platform walks you through the process with an easy-to-use interface and plenty of support along the way. Plus, you can test your quiz to make sure the logic works seamlessly before you launch it to the public. Now, before I wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using Outgrow for free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the link in the description below. This extended free trial will give you access to all the features you need to create quizzes with logic branching and much more, so be sure to take advantage of that offer while it lasts. To sum it up, adding logic branching to your Outgrow quizzes is a simple yet powerful way to create personalized and engaging experiences for your audience. Whether you're building quizzes for lead generation or just to engage your followers, this feature is a must-try. And remember, you can start using Outgrow with an exclusive extended free trial today by clicking the link in the description. Thanks for watching.